Hi everyone, it's me again. Today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic at Feng Shui Kitchen Tips 2021. You know, the location, the design and Feng Shui basics of your kitchen are considered very important in a good Feng Shui floor plan. Your kitchen is part of the so-called Feng Shui trinity, the bathroom, and kitchen, because of its utmost importance for your health and your life. Let's check it out. 1. Colors. What are the best kitchen colors for Feng Shui? Check out this photo gallery to get some ideas. Whether you prefer white, gray, or a shade of blue, you can find out the best Feng Shui use of color in the kitchen. 2. Feng Shui. The kitchen is the Feng Shui part of the home that nourishes and sustains life. Feng Shui-wise, it is the most important part of your home. The kitchen is also a Feng Shui symbol of wealth and poverty. So, naturally, you want to create good Feng Shui in your kitchen. 3. Small kitchen issues. The kitchen is a part of the very important Feng Shui trigger that is directly connected to the state of your health and well-being. If your kitchen is very small, you need specific tips to help you find enough space to store your kitchen supplies and have enough workspace. 4. Place. You might be wondering about the best Feng Shui shapes and colors of place for your kitchen. There are really no shoes in advanced Feng Shui applications. It is always best to go with what you love and are drawn to, especially in such important Feng Shui areas as your kitchen and bedroom. 5. Herbs. Good Feng Shui energy is all around you. It's come in all forms, shapes, and sizes. You can test the quality of any given energy by the way it feels. You know the Feng Shui energy is good when you test it with the basic question, does it feel good? Her guidance add a sense of beauty and calm in your kitchen. 6. The stove. The first and most important aspect in kitchen Feng Shui regarding the stove is its location in the backward map of your home. Because the stove represents the fire Feng Shui element, it is best to have it in a kitchen location that is compatible with or is not damaged by its fire energy. Usually south and southwest are considered ideal Feng Shui kitchen spot for the oven. 7. A sourdough kitchen. Feng Shui for sourdough kitchen is a fascinating topic with almost never-ending options and possibilities in creating good energy in this special area of your home. Of course, in applying Feng Shui to your kitchen, you always start with the basics. Keep it clean and clear of clutter, and follow the logical flow, and then move on to a bit more advanced Feng Shui levels. Finally, facing door. Having the kitchen and bathroom doors facing each other is very bad Feng Shui indeed. You don't need to know much about Feng Shui to intuitively understand that this is not a good setup for a healthy home. When two doors are opposite each other, the Feng Shui energies flow faster in and out the spaces guarded by the doors. This is why another direct door element, the front door allies with the back door, is also considered bad Feng Shui. Okay, that's all. If you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.